Imaginary line that circles the Earth parallel to the equator are longitude, meridian, latitude and degree. First you have to know what is latitude. Latitude are the imaginary line which drawn east-west direction between the two reference points. There are the two reference points on the Earth. One is the North Pole and second one is the South Pole. The line drawn between these two references point in east-west direction is known as latitude. The total that is 0 degree which divided Earth into two equal parts, that is northern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere, gole ka adha, and that is the southern hemisphere. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. What does it indicate? The total number of latitude 0 plus 90 plus 90 equal to 181. No, there is only 179 latitude on the Earth. Why? Because the North Pole and South Pole is a point, is a dot, not a line. So when there is a question, how many latitudes on the Earth, then answer is 181. But when the question asks how many latitude lines on the Earth, then it is only 179. Imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole are line of latitude, time zones, line of longitude and parallels. Here we draw Earth. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Imaginary line that run from North Pole to South Pole. This. Okay. So this is known as line of longitude. This is known as 9 of degree. This is 0. In 1884, it decided at Washington DC that line which is passes through the Greenwich, a village at London, as indicated as 0 degree longitude. So this is the prime meridian or 0 degree longitude. The total number of longitude on the Earth is 360. Number of parallel across the globe is 181, 360, 80, 90. Now same question here. Total number of parallels, not the line. Okay. This is North Pole or this is South Pole. This is 0 degree equator and this 90 degree North Pole and degree North Pole. If you add all these 90 plus 0 plus 90, then it is equal to 181. Here A answer is correct. But when they ask about line, not only the parallels, now they ask about latitude lines of parallel line, then answer is 179. The total number of longitudes are 360, 180, 90, 720. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. As you know, the ball or a circle has how many degree? It has 360 degree. So it is very clear that the total number of longitude on a Earth is 360. Which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid zone, temperate zone, fridge zone or tropical water. Here we see the diagram. Okay, this is equator, 0 degree. This is 23.5 Tropic of Cancer. This is Arctic Tropic of Cancer at 23 degree north. Okay. This is Arctic Circle at 60 degree. This is North Pole 90 degree. This is Pole 90 degree. South Pole, North Pole, Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree and south, and Antarctic Circle 66 degree south. Now the question, the lies between the Tropic of Cancer, it means this area. This is Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. The lies between that is known as torrid zone. the area lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the this uh, Arctic Circle, this one or this one, that is known as temperate zone. And from Arctic Circle to North Pole, from Antarctic Circle to South Pole, this one, and that area is known as freeze zone. Okay, why it is called torrid zone? Because the movement of the sun whole year moves between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So this area receives sunlight vertically all over the year at a different months or a date. Through which continent does the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator passes? Africa, South America, Asia and Australia. You see the map of South America, that is which one is line? Equator and Tropic of Capricorn is passes. Only two imaginary line are passes through this continent. From Australian continent you saw only the Tropic of Capricorn. Here is the Tropic of Capricorn is passes through it. This is Asian continent. Here one is that is the equator and second is the Tropic of Cancer which is passes through the India. Only two line are passes through it. Now you see the African continent map, that is the equator passes through the middle of it, that is the Tropic of Cancer and that is the Tropic of Capricorn. It means the right answer is Africa. Africa is the right answer from where all the three lines passes through. Latitude and longitude together help us in the climate of the place, time difference between the two places, season of the place, locating any place on the earth. Okay, this is latitude lines and this is are the longitude lines. These two line help us to indicate any place on the earth. This is that answer is D is correct. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, the Tropic of Cancer and the equator, the Tropic of Capricorn and the equator, and the equator and the Arctic Circle. Here see the diagram. This is equator, this is Tropic of Cancer 23° north, this is a Tropic of Capricorn 23° south, Tropic of Capricorn. Now as you know that the movement of the sun is restricted between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, and that place is known as torrid zone. The answer is this. Now the date where it overhead vertical. On Tropic of Cancer it is on 21st June. Okay, on a Tropic of Capricorn it is on 22nd December is June, and on equator it lies vertically overhead and 2 days of the year. First is the 21st March and second one is the 23rd September. These are the 2 days when night and days are equal all over the earth. On the 21st of June, when sun is vertical over the Tropic of Cancer, the northern hemisphere feels summer season, long days and short nights. When sun is vertical over this 22nd December or Tropic of Capricorn on the 22nd December, the southern hemisphere feels summer and northern hemisphere feel winter. Now its reverse position is there on a January December. This southern hemisphere have long days and short night as compared to the northern hemisphere which has short days and long night. The answer is this, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east to Greenwich will be behind the Greenwich time, ahead the Greenwich time, same time with the Greenwich, none of the above. See this. Take this one. Greenwich is here 0 degree longitude. Greenwich, this is the eastern part or this is the western part. As we know that earth move from west to east, it means the part which is a on the eastern side of the Greenwich have ahead of time as compared to Greenwich. The answer is B is clear. Now take the example of India. This is England and this is India. Okay, England 0 degree or the longitude of India is 68 degree. Okay, now we have taken Indian Standard Time from where 82 degree and a half east. As you know that the sun moves from one longitude to another longitude, it takes 4 minutes. If you calculate 4 into 80, how 320 minutes. That's why the time of India is 5 over 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich. The name of the whole network of latitude and longitude, Earth, grid system, season and the climate. This is latitudes, okay, and these are the longitude. And this whole combination of latitude and longitude is known as grid. The answer B is correct. Autumn equinox occur in March 21, September 22, December 22 and June 20. First you have to know what do you mean by equinox. Equinox means when there is equal day night, equal day and night on earth. Okay, this is 0 degrees. Okay, the sun is vertical twice a year over the equator. This is equator, that is March 21 and September 23rd. Here is 22. Okay, here answer. So it means when there is an equal day and night on the earth, it means the answer between the March 21 and September 22, the answer is September 22. That is the autumn. When it is March 21, that is known as spring equinox. Okay, the answer is September 22. What is the meridian value of Indian Standard Time? 80 to the half east, 84 and a half east, 86 and a half east, 88 and a half east. The longitude distance between of India from west to east, that is 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute. It means if you subtract 97 to 68, then it is come to 30. Then you have to select the middle part of it. Middle part of it is 82 degree and a half east. The answer is 82 degree and a half. What is the area between the pole circle and the Tropic of Cancer called? Tropical zone, temperate zone, cold zone or tropical or temperate zone? Now first see the area. The question is the Tropic of Cancer and the pole. This is pole, North Pole, and this is the South Pole. Now Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is here 23 degree and a half north. Now the question asks which region is known as this one. It has two regions. Here is 66 and degree half degree, that is known as Arctic Circle. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, this one, that is known as temperate zone. The area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and that is known as freeze zone. But here is no freeze zone. The answer is B, temperate zone is the correct. Days and nights are equal throughout the globe when the sun is above. What word we use when the day and night are equal, and that is known as equinox. Have you remember or you forgot that word? That is known as the equinox, equal day and night. Now the days and night equal throughout the globe when the sun is above, and that when it comes, that when it is above equator. Which date? There are two dates, 21st March and 23rd September. These are the two dates when sun is vertical over the equator. The answer is B, equator.